Before rising from the laying position, ask the person you are working with to imagine a beautiful light coming down through their crown chakra, all the way through their body and out through their feet. When it reaches the feet, imagine roots like that of a magnificent old tree reaching out from the feet deep into Mother Earth in order to ground their energy once more. This completes a basic chakra healing using crystals. Generally, after the healing, you will experience a beautiful feeling of relaxation. Sometimes, however, you may find a shift in your mood, even up to a few days later. Perhaps some irritability, frustration, or other negative emotion. And this is just your energetic body shifting and processing the healing, and it will pass very swiftly. After a healing of this nature, always remember to drink plenty of water, both you and the person that you've been working with, in order to assist the body to flush out any toxins or waste removed from the body, both physically and energetically. Remember, it is your intuition and your intention that is key when completing a crystal healing. Whatever crystals you are drawn to, and whatever placement you are inspired to use, simply trust. Crystal healing is a beautiful, gentle modality. Enjoy the experience these gifts from the Crystal Kingdom offer. And remember to trust your intuition.